We're staying in the new office project.dwg file. And as you can see, I've zoomed extents again so that we can see what's going on in the floor plan. And we've got our blocks here, our workstation blocks. Now, there's always going to be a time when you may need to explode a block back to its original component objects. It's the same with a polyline. You might need to explode a polyline back to its arcs and its line segments as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to select our workstation blocks, these three here, like so, and then I'm going to jump to the Home tab on the ribbon, and the Explode command is here on the Modify panel. Click on Explode. They don't actually look any different, but they are now back to their original desk, chair, plant, etc. So you can see there that obviously they're back to their original objects. These are two, you'll notice as well. And if you want to bring your block back in, you haven't lost your workstation block. It's still in the DWG file. So I could easily just select these objects, right-click and erase. Go to the Insert tab, click on the Insert Flyout. There's my workstation. Notice it's updated now without the computer on the desk. And I can just pop that into there. Make sure I get the right snap point. There we go. Zoom out again. And you'll see there now that that is a block again on the workstation's layer. I'll leave these ones on their original objects for now. Be aware though that when you are creating blocks, I would not have been able to explode these if I hadn't ticked the allow exploding when I was creating the new block. So make sure that you tick allow exploding with your block creation in your AutoCAD drawings.